gentlemen, we move on to the announcement of our next round of Scotch Order of Merit. And I have the pleasure of inviting Dr. Shivani Nagpal, District Child Protection Officer, Child Protection Unit from Sri Muktsar Sahib, Project Street to School.
Thanks, sir.
Well, thank you very much, and doing such good work, and our best wishes are with you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Mr. Chandra Shekhar Shakhaburi, a district collector from Tamil Nadu Corporation for Development of Women, Cuddalore District, for Tamil Nadu State Rural Livelihood Mission. The gentleman is there with the video off. He cannot spotlight you till such time you switch your video on. Mr. Manoj Kumar Patnaik, Special Secretary, Electronics and Information Technology Department, Government of Odisha, for COVID Odisha project. We have the Department of Electronics with us, but the video and the audio is switched off. I now invite Mr. J.S. Chahal, Superintending Engineer, Department of Water Supply and Sanitation, Government of Punjab, for transforming rural lives by providing safe drinking water. Mr. Chahal. Mr. Chahal, you can see that you are present, but your video is off. Mr. S.J. Haider, Vice Chairman and Managing Director, Gujarat State Road Transport Corporation, for development of bus ports under public-private partnership. Mr. Haider, your video is switched off. The next one also goes to GSRTC, response to COVID. Mr. S.J. Haider. Mr. Pankaj Kumar Pandey, Commissioner, Health and Family Welfare Services, Government of Karnataka, for general health services during COVID under Ayushman Bharat, Arogya Karnataka. Next one also goes to Mr. Pankaj Kumar Pandey, Arogya Karnataka card distribution. Ms. Radha Rangarajan, Chief Scientific Officer, Health Cube India Private Limited, for response to COVID. It's Kumud Singh, Managing Director, Himachal Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation, for response to COVID. Ms. Rupali Thakur, Chief Executive Officer, Himachal Pradesh Energy Development Agency, for mitigation of electricity problems in Pangi Valley.
Good afternoon to you all. Thank you. Good afternoon to you all. Thank you for this opportunity to support. We are grateful for this opportunity. Pangi is one of the remotest areas of Himachal Pradesh, and we have been successful in getting a bit of light into their lives. We have got... We have got solar energy powered houses in below poverty line families, and we appreciate your acknowledging this effort. Thanks again.
Congratulations to you, ma'am. Mr. Krishna Bajpai, Managing Director, Hubali Dharwad Bus Rapid Transit System Company Limited, for Hubali Dharwad Bus Rapid Transit System.
Thank you, sir. I am present here. Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. Please
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to the Scotch team for recognizing our project and giving us the place in the semi-final round. Thanks, sir.
Congratulations. I have the pleasure of inviting Professor and Head of Department Dr. Anmol Gupta from Indira Gandhi Medical College, Shimla.
Thank you, sir. I am present here.
Development goals. Yes,
Hello.
we can hear you.
Thank you, sir. I am present here. And we did thank you for the whole team of Scotch for selecting our project. It's our gratitude. And the project was done on achieving the sustainable development goal in Indira Gandhi Medical College, Shimla. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Dr. Chitra S., Executive Director, Information Kerala Mission, Integrated Local Governance Management System. Ms. Ranjita Gautam, Additional Director, Department of Women and Child Development, Government of Rajasthan, for Early Childhood Education, ICDS. Yes, ma'am, we can see you. Ms. Kavita Ramu, Director cum Mission Director, Integrated Child Development Services, Government of Tamil Nadu, for virtual learning interventions pertaining to early childhood care.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm representing our director, respected director, ma'am, and thank you so much for the Scotch message and for encouraging us in the area of early childhood and education.
I want to speak from Rajasthan.
Congratulations, Tamil Nadu. So let me go back to Rajasthan and invite Ms.
Yes, please. Good afternoon, everyone. I am grateful towards Scotch Group, its partners, for acknowledging our innovations in early childhood education. Congratulations to all the participating organizations for their initiatives. We all are aware that the education was badly hit pandemic. ICDS Rajasthan, with its commitment towards children and other beneficiaries, developed a strategy to continue education and learning at home during pandemic. Digital EC materials, month, weekly calendar, audios and videos was developed based on the curriculum. These materials were then shared with the parents through mobile phones. Anganwadi workers continue to motivate to do these activities at home. So online trainings were also given to all the lady supervisors, that is around 100, and nursing teachers around 1100. The complete program was well monitored through Google formats. Approximately 12 lakh children enrolled for ECE have been benefiting from the program. I also would like to share that the revised ECE material, like appropriate workbooks, textbooks, are distributed to the children at home. With an aim to improve access for all to good EC materials, ICDS Rajasthan has developed a YouTube channel that is named Anganwadi EC ICDS Rajasthan. So ICDS Rajasthan is committed to holistic development and positive health for children. Out of 60,000 something Anganwadi centers in Rajasthan, approximately 40,000 Anganwadi centers are integrated in the school. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. The next one goes to Mr. Ashok Sharma, Director ICDS, Women and Child Development Department, Government of Gujarat, for State Management Center, SMC.
Namaskar. बहुत बहुत आभार. Thank you so much, this coach team and my colleagues all around India. This state management center was basically to monitor the ICDS activities, as our counterpart from Rajasthan was discussing. We have a system in place for end-to-end solution for supply of supplementary nutrition. We call Take Home Ration, THR. We produce it through our three dairy plants, Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation, Amul, and then we distribute among our beneficiaries. Now the beauty of the project is the entire supply chain management is on digital platform, where the demand is also uploaded from the bottom up in a bottom up approach, and it is approved by the system based on the number of actual beneficiaries, and then this actually digitally goes to the dairy plants where it is produced, packaged, and then transported through a system, so that actually it is real-time tracking that we can do. Now these products are designed to suit the requirements of three sets of beneficiaries of our ICDS: children, 3 to 6 years children, 0 to 3 years children, then adolescent girls, and our pregnant and lactating mothers. We call them Bal Shakti, Matru Shakti, and Purna Shakti. So, chain of this logistic management.
So much for joining.
And SMC is helpful. Actually, SMC is.
না না ঠিক আছে ডিএলএস এর কথা হলো, যদি উনি না বলেন তাই বলবো, আমি জানি।
Please mute the other participants.
Now the SMC is basically to carry out the monitoring. We have a system of say 16 call executives who continuously monitor the entire chain of logistic management, and then because machine can only give us the idea about how it is flowing, but our people actually go on speaking with the beneficiaries as well as our own people, whether the product has reached, how it is acceptable or not, and so human interface. So digital plus human interface, and we are making into a holistic management system. Thank you very much, Dr. Gursaran and the team of Scotch for giving this opportunity to share our ideas. And thanks very much on behalf of the WCD Gujarat for the Scotch Award. Thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations once again, Mr. Chair. And here we are with Mr. Senthil Kumar Murugesan, CEO and co-founder of GeoVio Healthcare for Project Save Mom.
Thank you so much, Merit team. This is our Rudraksh kind of a wearable device. Using this device, we are monitoring a lot of pregnant mother, especially living in a tribal remote village who don't have any form of health access. We have monitored almost 22,000 plus checkup with our innovative device. So this device has a sensor inside this beads, and it continuously monitors mother's health parameter, and it directly sends this data to the health provider, Anganwadi worker or health provider, and we could able to monitor high-risk mother at very early stage. And thank you so much for the team, such a recognition. And as a private startup company getting such a recognition, we are very proud for this. Thanks, team.
Congratulations. Mr. Venancio Furtado, Managing Director, Kadamba Transport Corporation Limited, for response to COVID. You are on mute.
Hello.
We can hear you now.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear, but your video is frozen at this moment.
Hello.
Looks like Mr. Venancio is having
Hello.
connectivity issue.
Hello.
We'll move on to the next. We'll come back to you, Mr. Furtado. Mr. Sanjeev Bijul, Additional Principal Chief Conservator from Karnataka Forest Department, Project E-Parihara.
Everyone.
Technology is stumbling.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please go ahead. We can hear you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
We move on to the next, and we will have an occasion to speak with you once again. Mr. Sanjay Bijul for e-evaluation of KFD works.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
At the outset, At the outset, let me thank, on behalf of the Karnataka Forest Department, to the jury and the Scotch group for giving us an opportunity to showcase our initiatives. And in fact, we had showcased two of our initiatives. One is e-Parihara and another one was e-evaluation. Both were towards ease of business, governance itself. So just I would like to bring to the kind notice of all the participants that Karnataka Forest Department has initiated several process reforms using the IT platforms.
Well, thank you so much, and our congratulations to you. Mr. Shiva Yogi C. Kalasar, Managing Director, Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation for Swachhata Hi Seva. Next one also goes to KSRTC for Sarike Sanjeevani. Response to COVID is the third one that goes to KSRTC. Mr. Manoj Pant, Principal Secretary, Land and Land Reforms and Refugee Relief and Rehabilitation Department, Government of West Bengal, for Electronic Delivery Service System and Automated Mutation.
Sir, on behalf of Principal Secretary, I'm there, and I'm audible, sir.
Yes.
On behalf of Principal Secretary, I'm there, and Director sir is also there. I think he is facing some problem to connect this platform. So still, thank you, sir. Thank all of you for selecting us in this platform and selecting our project and to be the best, one of our best thing. The best area, whatever we have been shown to you, and the best thing is this contactless mutation. Mutation is happening almost all the states of India, but our specialty is contactless mutation, where there is no need to go to the office and thing. Automatically, by governing the rules and all, mutation will be happening. And real-time record delivery as well as display of records. This is the specialty of our application, sir. And that the citizens are getting in pandemic situations also. Citizens are getting the services from our portal services and all. And whatever sir Suresh sir has told regarding, he mentioned EODB. We have a huge role in EODB, sir. Actually, in behalf of ease of doing business, we are also giving a lot of services to the EODB from land and land folks. And regarding this, regarding the services to the citizen, we can say around 53 crore services has been registered. It is possible. It is a huge service land and land reforms are presenting to the citizens. So this is basically a citizen-centric application, services to the citizen. That is the beautification of our application, sir. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations to the entire team. And we move on to invite Mr. Sanjay Kumar Sain, Superintendent of Police, District Police, Lower Dibang Valley, for response to COVID. The next one also goes to Lower Dibang for Anti-Drug Squad, Rowing Police. Miss Manisha Verma, Managing Director, Maharashtra Film, Stage and Cultural Development Corporation Limited for Maharashtra Film Cell.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. This is Ritesh on behalf of Maharashtra Film Stage and Cultural Development Corporation Limited. We thank you, the Scotch team, for choosing our project to showcase our capabilities which we have delivered. To give a little background to the people available here, as people were saying in the last session that there's high corruption in IAS and all those things. So the system which we have developed, which is for the majorly for the reforms of single window system in Bollywood. All of us know Mumbai is the hub of Bollywood, and through this system we have tried ease of doing business in the film and media entertainment sector. It's become a single platform where people can come and book shooting locations without any hassle. They would need to go to 10 departments for getting permissions and all those things. They just need to come to us, and it's a single window and they get the permissions. So I once again thanks the team for choosing our project and hope to win the same. Thank you.
Congratulations. Let me now invite Mr. Dr. Yashpal Singh, Chief Medical Officer, District Administration, Badayun, for modification of 75 health sub-centers. This one goes to Mr. Siddhant Khurana, co-founder and head of operations, Mind Piper, response to COVID. I have the pleasure of inviting Mr. Khushwant Sethi, Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Panchayati Raj for Audit Online. So Sethi, are you there?
Sir.
Scotch team.
সেটাই স্যার বললাম যে টেকনিক্যাল আমি এদের সঙ্গে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে ছিলাম, আমরা নামও পাঠিয়েছিলাম, এরা বলছে ইয়েস ইট ইজ অ্যাভেলেবল, ওই জন্য ওয়েট করছিলাম শুরুতে। তারপর যদি স্যার আমি বললাম যে আমাদের ডাইরেক্টর স্যার is facing some technical.
Brings us to the end of this round of the announcement of Scotch Order of Merit.